Hey guys, welcome to Q2 Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the controller boyfriend. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the controller on the bottom. Start with the curve across here. Then from the left, let's curve it down and back up. And the same thing on the right side. And then a curve across the bottom to close off the shape. Next, let's move in and draw the eyebrows. Start by drawing a curve up and to the right. And then up to the left, forming a pointed V shape. And now let's thicken the eyebrows up slightly toward the center. Now let's add the eyes. Underneath on the right, let's draw a U-shaped curve like this. And then the left eye. And now color both in black. And next let's add the mouth. On the bottom left, let's draw a curve. Then underneath, let's curve it over to the right. Now an angled line down, and then a line across to close off the mouth. And that's it for the controller. Let's draw the microphone and stand next. Let's start by drawing the base of the stand. Next to the controller, let's draw an angled line down here. Then a line at the top, and then another angle down for the other side. And now a line across the bottom to close it off. Next from the top, let's draw two long lines up like this. And then at the top, let's add an angle. Then two curves over to the right. And then one more angle to close it off. Now let's add the microphone at the top. Let's start with a diagonal line here. And then continue it down on the other side. And now let's move up and add another diagonal line above. And then let's close off the end by adding an oval shape. Next, let's hop to the top side and let's add a curved line that's slightly longer on both sides. And then let's curve it in underneath. Now from the ends, let's add two angles. And then a curve to connect them. Now let's add a circle at the end for the microphone head. And lastly, let's add the detailed curved lines inside. And that's it for the controller boyfriend. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!